Hey guys, welcome back to Base Hits LDO. Well, I don't know. Stands for Laredo, in case you don't know. In case you're watching this, you're probably watching this because of the Frost King. I'll probably put in the description right here. Wait. Dude, I'm new to this shit. I don't know how to do this shit. I don't have no software. So I just fucking take video. My iPhone. Remember, I was fucking putting Frost King on my trunk. And so last night, so what I thought was gonna take me 30 minutes, I was just going to put this up, but I ended up taking the box out a little bit and removing this one back here and put some Frost King in there. Shit, I don't know. It's not that bad yet. Once I get to the like 5,000 RMS range, I'm gonna have to put foam on the sides. Then I remembered the top was rattling really bad, so I started sticking some of it up here. But this thing doesn't like to be, the sticky part is sticky, but as you can see, the heat will unstickify it, or it'll make it come off, but not that much. So I'm getting an LC2I instead of that piece of shit crap thing. Right now, if you guys know a better way for me to get a signal, I figured get a signal from the subwoofer that comes with the Bose system. But then I read that it only plays certain frequencies and it starts like a roll off or something, which pretty much cuts my bass. And I've noticed that I lower the volume and the bass goes up, it's fucked up. So I need a better way of doing that. The amp rack still not put up. As you can see, I did get, I don't think you can see it there, but I did get the ground one out too. And I'm gonna finish putting some more. And if I have time, keep in mind guys, I have a 3-year-old daughter with, speech disintegration or integration. They just ranked her as, or put her in the autism spectrum, but she's okay. I went and got her some nuggets because she only likes to eat ranch right now. But this nasty shit, I was drunk one day and I bought that Duplicolor, which is good brand, don't get me wrong, but the clear coat can, and I figured, hey, put an extra layer of clear coat, which look, it did. But I spread it unevenly, and I thought that this was like part of the, as you can see, I need to clamp it in there, and I scraped it. I used an X-Acto knife, and the rubber things go here, the handle thing goes here, black thing goes here. But yeah, this is Duplicolor clear coat. But that's pretty much it. I finished that, and this is the wire I'm running. It's Rhino. Good shit. See, when you cut it, it comes out nice and straight, but this strand has been running around like this. Look at that shit, so poofy. So you understand my problem. I just need a better amp. I wish I had my cab 2600 back. Anyways guys, like and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing this daily. My wife's encouraging me. I'm probably gonna buy a better camera, just so I can have some. I've been doing this since I was 13, finding a way. So Share if you like the video, like it. Make me feel better about doing these videos. If not, I'm still just doing them because it's fun. Peace out.